Hello, little heroes. I'm Cosmo, your little guide from the humming planet. Wasn't this week's adventure a wild one? I was on the edge of my seat when the dream factory went dark. Sometimes when something strange happens, everyone rushes to believe what seems to be true. But being a real hero means we don't just follow the noise, we stop and think. Charlie could have joined the crowd and blamed the owl, but instead, he paused, looked deeper, and found the truth hiding where no one expected. That's what discernment is all about. It's like having a little flashlight in your heart that helps you see clearly, even when things feel confusing. And guess what? You don't need magical glasses to practice discernment. You just need to stay curious, ask questions, and listen closely. Now, let's share some thoughts together. Have you ever looked at the same thing as your friend, but had completely different ideas? How can we find out what's really true? We don't have magical glasses like Charlie, so what can we use to help us understand what's really going on? You're already practicing discernment every time you ask, is there more to this? That's what brave, wise heroes do. I'm so proud of you. Let's keep training that hero heart of yours. Download your free Cosmos Hero Training Worksheet and explore more ways to see beyond the surface. See you soon in the next adventure. Bye for now.